ROS2 Jazzy came out not too long ago, and if you're looking to install it on WSL for Windows or your Ubuntu for your Linux, this is a video for you. I'll walk you through all the steps you need to prepare for installation and the actual steps that you need to run the installation, and finally how to test if your installation installed correctly. First off, I like to share some of these resources I have available on my YouTube channel. So I already have a ROS2 tutorials playlist, but it is based on Humble. But I go through all of the basics all the way up to the advanced stuff, which covers things like simulating in Gazebo with robot arms as well as mobile robots. So go ahead and check out those videos. And everything for my code and documentation is available on my website at kevinwithrobotics.com. So go ahead and check that out. So first off, you want to set your locale for UTF-8, and then you want to enable your required repositories. Next up, you want to install your development tools. This step is optional. And finally, to install the ROS Jazzy, all you gotta do is do sudo apt update upgrade and then sudo apt install ROS Jazzy desktop. This is the full version. Now for the final step, we want to verify our installation. So go ahead and put your setup.bash file inside your bash src file, and then run the ros2-h command, and you will see a list of commands pop up. If you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.